Hi and welcome. On this screen in our SEO tools you'll see information about the previous crawl or the latest crawl that's been performed. You'll see the crawl date in the top right hand corner, and you'll also see in this table some information about that crawl, such as whether it was finished or paused. And you'll also see some information about the crawl data, such as the file types that were identified and the status or response codes that were returned from those URLs. You also have a number of controls here, so you can begin a new crawl, you can access past crawls, go straight to reporting to look at the data from the crawl, or go to the SEO audit section of our tools package where you can see visualizations of the data from the crawl, such as charts. If you'd like to look at past crawl data, just click on either the past crawls link on the page, or you can select it from the side menu over here, and this will take you through to a selection of past crawls. Simply click on one of these and it will take you back to this page and show you information, and the date will appear within the breadcrumbs there, so you know which one you're looking at. From here, if you go to reporting or SEO auditing, you'll be seeing the data for that particular crawl. Thanks for watching.